How to fix Instagram note feature not showing after update. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today's video I'll be showing you how you can fix note feature not showing on Instagram. So in order to fix it, first of all, make sure to check your internet connection and then open up your application. Now let's say that if you're unable to find a note feature on Instagram. So if you go to your DMs, right on top here you can see these are all the note feature. If you're unable to find this option, what you'll need to do is first of all you can check for an update. You can definitely open up your Play Store and then on the search box type in Instagram. After that you'll need to see whether there is an update button or an open. If you see update, which means that the app needs to be updated. After updating the application, you can fix your issue or you might find this option. Apart from that, what else you can do is you can also switch to your professional account. In order to switch to professional account, log into your account once again, go to your profile icon, click on the drop bar icon. After that, go to settings, and once you're on the settings page, click on account. After that, scroll down a bit and click on switch to professional account, which is right at the bottom, and you can get on with this procedure on creating a professional account. Apart from that, what else you can do is you can also uninstall your application for a certain time. After that, reinstall it. Along with that, restart your device, and that might be able to solve your issue. Apart from that, what else you can do is you can also turn on active status. For that, you need to go to your profile, click on the tab bar icon, go to settings, and then scroll down a bit, go to privacy, and here once again scroll down and go to activity status, toggle the switch or turn it on, and this might be able to help you get the note feature on Instagram. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.